Hello. Okay, so now I am in my new trade. I am now using Fibonacci. Fibonacci. Okay. So if you don't know how to use Fibonacci, this is the Fibonacci. This colorful. Okay. So how to use Fibonacci? Let me delete it first. Okay. So you click here. Where is it? Here, Fibonacci Retracement. So you click to the lower. If you are going up, okay, this is uptrend up to the top. So there. So Fibonacci retracement means there's a retracement. It's going down. There is a retracement. Okay? So the retracement, or what we call the pullback, is up to 60%. Okay? 50 to 60%. Look at what it touched now. It's already in the 50% and 60%. Do you know that I made money with that retracement? Okay? But how did I made money? I use the 1-day time frame. Let's check the 1-day time frame. 1-day time frame. Here. 4 hours time frame. Here. This let me use again the Fibonacci here. I shorted it, okay? Fibonacci retracement from top to bottom. There. So what is the 60%? Here. Okay, 60. That's the that's the 50 to 60. And look at how where it is. Here, 60. Right? So let me put the how to know where to take profit. Fibonacci base Fib extension. Okay? Trend base Fibonacci extension. So you click the top, then here, then here. Here's the top part. Okay. So basing from there, you can take profit for up to 60% here. 60. You can take profit this one 60% or up to here 160%, 31. Okay? So if my chart is right, okay? If Fibonacci extension short is right, then it should reach up to here. But since it did not, meaning my Fibonacci retracement is wrong. Right? So it's not downtrend, it's uptrend. This is the more accurate one. Okay, the 1 week time frame. Okay, let's check our 1 week time frame. There. This little retracement here, I made money from there. Okay, check my trading history. Trade history just now 24, so it's 24 minus 2, 9. So 938. It's 1050. So 938 I cash out. I earned $25. Okay? It's $25 because I just traded little amount. I'm just testing my Fibonacci skills. Okay? And it worked. So now, I took away my capital and I left my income. So, now I traded the 1,000 peso or the $20. Okay? So, I take profit. I left this one. So now I'm in $5 profit. I entered when I realized that the Fibonacci 1 week time frame uptrend is right. Then I take profit. Okay? I wasn't able to take profit here because I was still expecting that it will go down even more. But since it did not, so at least I still earned. So now, the trend base. Up to what will you take profit? Okay, let's click the max. There. So, taking profit will be up to 60%. This one, 54331. So, you can take profit here, 54331, or you can take profit here. It's already in red because it means you sell here. 160%, 78. Wow. Did I got it right? Okay. So, 78. 160% profit. So, this is the selling part. It has the potential to earn 78,729. So, mine is 77,514. Imagine, it's $321 with just $1,000 capital. 1,000 peso. Okay? $20. So, that's it. That's how you use the Fibonacci uh, skill. Okay? So I'm showing it to you and I'm teaching you also so that you can make money also in the market. Okay? All the best. Cheers.